Hey guys, it's me back again. So today I will be drawing a girl with a green color palette, of course. And let's admire how beautiful I draw these hands and the head. I just loved it. Fun fact, I actually duplicated this drawing because I love the head and I think it's a great template. So yeah, anyway, I'm just coloring her in right away and the shading is so good. I love it. But the highlights are not that good, but it's going to come after some seconds. I just spoke too early, but yeah. Also, shout out to my mom for editing my videos because I'm just too busy to really edit up my videos, so my mom does it for me. Yes, so I'm trying to make her hair look flowy, and why not, and surprised. So that's all. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.